In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to enable everyone to reply to your posts on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple instructions to adjust your post settings. To begin, locate and tap on the Compose Post button on your Twitter dashboard. This button allows you to create a new tweet or post on your profile. Next, look for the option labeled Everyone Can Reply next to the globe icon. Click or tap on this setting to open the reply audience options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Everyone to allow all Twitter users to reply to your post. This setting ensures that your post is open for engagement from all users. Once you have chosen the Everyone option, you are now ready to share your post. Click or tap on the Post button to send your tweet out to your followers and the Twitter community. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your post settings on Twitter to enable everyone to reply to your posts on PC. Enhance your engagement and interaction on the platform by opening up your posts to a wider audience. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on optimizing your Twitter experience. Thank you for watching.